Optimal fertilizer ratios for thriving collard greens. Today, we're diving deep into the world of collard greens. If you want your collards to flourish and thrive, you've come to the right place. We're going to explore the best fertilizer ratios to make those greens the envy of your garden. Let's get started. They're packed with nutrients, but they need a little extra TLC when it comes to feeding. Collard greens thrive in a well-fertilized environment. NPK ratio. Ensure your collards are happy and healthy. You need to understand the NPK ratio. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Well, break down the ideal ratio for collard greens. Ideal fertilizer ratio. The ideal ratio for collard greens is 1 to 2 to 2. That means for every part of nitrogen, you need 2 parts of phosphorus and 2 parts of potassium. You decide if you want to use organic or synthetic fertilizers. Research the best techniques to apply your chosen fertilizer. To ensure your collards get nutrients they need without overdoing it, troubleshoot common issues. Sometimes, even with the best fertilizer ratio, issues can arise.
Thanks for watching.